It's not in. It's right
Oh,
there.
we didn't put the dick in yet.
Yeah,
Outtakes.
I was going to say, roll the intro.
is it in?
Is it in yet? I can't feel
Let's
it.
just roll the intro. We'll be right back.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Welcome back to Brazen Brits. I'm Lawrence, Natalie is behind the camera, and today we're doing something completely different. We've said that about 35 times since we've had our channel, but we are doing something completely different. Now, this is Richard and Victoria. They're GF Explorers. They have their own channel. It's all about cooking in an RV. We'll get to that in a moment. But first of all, we met at the Tampa RV show a few weeks ago.
We did. Yep.
And we got chatting, as we do, and you guys are passionate about cooking on the road, right?
We are. Yep.
So they asked us, they said, look, what's some British weird stuff that we can, like, as
that
a
you
challenge?
miss. Yeah.
Exactly. So after a bit of conversation, we came up with two dishes. One of them is bangers and mash.
Which is somewhat normal. It's, yeah.
Sausage and
normal.
potatoes.
But then Natalie blurted out spotted dick. And I thought she was about to tell us about some weird medical condition that you have going on.
No. It cleared up. It cleared up.
They also brought Old Speckled Hen. This is the most British night ever, Lawrence. This is fantastic. This is a U beer.
Yes. Oh, that is very British beer. That is very British. There's another aspect to this where it needs to be gluten-free and dairy-free, right?
Yes, because of me, it's all my fault.
It's all your fault. But that's your specialty. So,
It is, yeah.
So I'm very interested in how you've made this dairy-free and gluten-free. But I have some facts, actually, and I think you may
have
do
some-
as well.
Ooh, we like facts.
Facts about spotted dick?
No, well, people say, why is it called spotted dick? And so I did a little bit of research because I didn't know either. It's just normal for us, right? So,
Right.
oh, you want some
Yeah.
spotted dick? It's a dessert.
It's a normal thing.
Yeah, like why would you even
It's
question
not a
that
medical
or laugh
condition.
like you are right now,
Yeah,
right?
exactly, yeah.
So anyway, the reason why is because the dough, it's like a sponge cake. You'll see it in a moment. The dough used to be called dick, right before other things were called dick.
Right.
And so, and it's basically, so the dough for the sponge is called dick, and then the spots are like the fruit in it. So that's what it is. And so spotted dick was actually a dish with some kind of custard. And then somehow that got changed into the other meaning that we know it as.
And we have the custard for you as well.
Yes.
Oh, yes, the
We have spotted
special
with
dick
custard.
cream.
Yeah,
cream.
we do.
Nice.
This is the full package.
Really? Okay, so the other interesting, I can't wait for this. I can't wait to have your spotted dick in my mouth. The other interesting fact is bangers and mash. I don't know why they were called bangers, and it's because during the wartime they would put loads of water content in it. So when you would cook them, they would
explode.
essentially explode.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why they call. I didn't know that.
And so the
That
interesting
makes
thing
sense.
about bangers now is we could have just went and bought bangers.
Yeah.
But bangers have either oats or breadcrumbs in them, which are both glutinous. So, because it's
We had to make our
Victoria's
own.
fault,
Yeah, it's not my
we
fault.
made our own.
make everything hard.
Yeah, from scratch, grinding the meat, all the steps. So those are homemade bangers. And I will say, I've never had a British banger before, but when I put the spice blend together for that,
Oh, it smelled so good.
oh man, those are good. They are
Yes,
they're banging.
See,
banging.
British food isn't that bad.
It's
No,
not.
it's
We're
good.
here to say it's not.
Okay, so that's an interesting fact. So you are also doing a video about how you prepared all of this on your channel.
Yes.
I'm going to steal all of the video that you
Absolutely.
did, if that's all right.
Yep.
So don't forget to go over and check their channel after you've watched this. Right, is there anything else before we can dig in?
No, I'm hungry.
Natalie's
No,
hungry.
let's dig in.
Let's go.
All right, Natalie, we
Yes.
just finished the first course.
Okay.
Bangers and mash with peas and amazing gravy.
Very interesting. I've not seen a gravy like that, I'm not going to lie, but it was extremely
That
tasty.
was the gravy was especially restaurant grade. And I'm so flavorful, yeah. And also, was there wine in the gravy?
Yes.
There was wine. Yeah,
That
good.
helps.
That always helps. And you need to go over and check their video because you can see how they made the sausages from scratch.
It is very
Like from
impressive.
properly
Lawrence is
from scratch.
fully invested now.
Like,
He's
I'm-
like, how do I buy all the stuff? Let's make our own sausages.
Yeah, the sausages, that was the best bit for me. And I'm not a huge mashed potato fan, but as a fan, how would you rate the mashed potatoes?
I was fascinated to hear that you can rice a potato. Is that what
I
it's
didn't know you
called? Yeah. I was like, what is ricing a potato?
So we need a potato ricer,
Yes.
and we need a sausage squeezer into the
Jiggy.
Sausage
condom
stuffer.
skin. Yeah, okay, that. So we're going to buy one of those. Got
Done.
it. Right, now, the reason you're all here.
The main event.
Let's go get some spotted dick. Here we are, we're just heating up your spotted dick, and then you're going to pull your spotted dick out.
I'm gonna pull it out and we're gonna cream it up.
But I do totally think, oh, hello, that the viewers should probably take a shot every time they hear the word dick in this video. They're going to be trashed.
Yeah, don't do that. If you take a shot every time we say dick, then just don't do it, unless you're a hardcore drinker. Whilst you're doing this is dairy-free spotted dick cream.
Yeah.
That's what we're calling it. So
Yes.
it's dick cream, and it's dairy-free. So what is it?
It basically is a custard, so it has egg yolk in it, it has heavy cream, which is a plant-based heavy cream, it has milk, plant-based milk in it, some a vanilla bean paste, not vanilla, like extract,
Yeah.
vanilla bean paste and sugar. And it's really, really kind of yummy.
I can't wait to try your dick cream.
It's going to make the dick taste even better.
The dick is hot and ready.
It's hot ready, but it's soft, right?
It's soft.
Because you don't want it hard.
You don't want it hard.
No.
It started out hard when it was cold, which is backwards from what you're thinking.
Yeah.
When it's cold, it should be soft, but it's the opposite. When it's cold, it's hard, and now when it's hot, it's soft.
Okay. So
Did you follow that?
Hot and soft with dick cream.
Exactly.
Got it.
Are you ready? I'm ready.
Natalie,
Yes.
how did you like Richard's spotted dick?
The fact that he's called Richard is making me laugh.
So another interesting fact, in like the mid 1900s or something, they actually changed it to Spotted Richard for a while.
They did?
They
Yeah,
tried
I
to,
heard that.
but anyway, so what did you think?
Delicious. I'm not usually
was.
a huge fan of fruit in cake, I suppose, but that was very tasty. And she did say that she managed to get, was it currants? So it's not
Yep.
raisins?
Yeah, it's basically what it is it's a sponge cake with some fruit in it. So it's not a
Sponge is a strong word.
well, it's more spongy than fruit cake is what I'm trying to get to. So yeah, anyway, I loved it. And actually, they made this a couple of days ago and brought it over because they made it in their RV. Again, go and watch their video because they made all of this in the RV and brought it over here. And so we tried it cold, and I preferred it cold.
You're so weird.
I am weird, but the custard was amazing, dairy-free custard. So
It's interesting, yeah. No, I wouldn't have known it was dairy free if you'd just given it to me. Like, great.
yep. Well, anyway, thank you guys. They're currently taking a picture for their thumbnail, so make sure you go over to their channel. It's GF Explorers. I'll put a link below. Thank you again.
Oh, you're very
If you enjoyed this, well, I'm going to leave a video up on the top right that you can go and have a look at. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to become a member and support a couple of tits and become a brazier, Natalie, they can
Hit the join button!
hit the join button. We also have a thanks button. We will see you next week.